भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, dear viewers, and welcome back to Logical Guru, your trusted source for unraveling complex legal matters with clarity and insights. In tonight's episode, let's understand what various members of the parliament had to say about the Waqf bill. The delve into the Waqf really is questions around the condition of minorities in India have been continuously raised, and in this context, the Waqf Amendment Bill has emerged as a major topic during the debate. During the discussion in the House, several prominent leaders like Manoj Kumar, Owaisi and Akhilesh Yadav strongly opposed the bill. Some MPs even wore black clothes in protest. This brings us to the crucial question: what exactly is Waqf and why is it stirred such a storm? This bill, recently passed by both houses of the parliament, aims to amend the existing laws governing Waqf property in India. But what does it propose? Why is it considered contentious by some? And how might it impact the management of Waqf properties? Let's break it down. What is Waqf? Amendment Bill 2025. The Waqf Amendment Bill Act seeks to introduce several key changes to the Waqf Act 1995, which governs the administration of Waqf properties, assets dedicated for religious or charitable purposes under the Islamic law. Now, talking about the key provisions of the amendment, the bill mandates the appointment of non-Muslim members to state Waqf boards and Central Waqf Council, meaning to promote diversity and transparency in the management of Waqf properties. It grants the government increased authority to validate and oversee Waqf land holdings with the objective of curbing corruption and mismanagement. The amendment introduces stringent procedures for verifying the ownership of Waqf properties, particularly those lacking formal documentation, a move that has raised a concern among various stakeholders. The journey of Waqf Amendment Bill through Parliament was marked by intense debates and discussions. In the Lok Sabha, after a marathon 12-hour debate, the bill was passed with 288 votes in favor and 232 against. In the Rajya Sabha the following day, the bill secured passage with 128 votes supporting, 95 opposing. These outcomes underscore the contentious nature of the bill and sharp division it has elected among political parties and communities. The Waqf Amendment Bill has elicited a spectrum of reactions. Government stance. Union Minister Amit Shah. Waqf Act and Board came into effect in 1995. All the arguments about the inclusion of non-Muslims are about to interference in the Waqf. First of all, no non-Muslim would come into Waqf. Understand this clearly. There is no such provision to include any non-Muslim among those who manage the religious institutions. We do not want this. This is a huge misconception that this act will interfere with the religious conduct of Muslims and interfere with the property donated by them. This misconception is being spread to instill the fear among minorities for their vote bank. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, the government is not going to interfere in any religious institution. The changes made in the Waqf law by the UPA government gave it overriding effect over the status. Hence, the new amendments were required. The targeting the oppositions. You try to mislead the people on issues which are not part of the Waqf bill. Opposition's concern. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi. What message do the government want to give? The community that fought for India's independence, the community that sacrificed its life logging with the Mangal Pandey in 1857. You want to tarnish the image of that community?
बस अभी 12th खत्म हुई थी और अब आधे से ज्यादा टाइम ये सोचकर निकाल देते हो कि विच करियर टू चूज. वेल, इन दैट केस आई गॉट यू कवर्ड. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, क्या पता आई विल जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड. यू मस्ट हैव थॉट ऑफ कोई बस ऐसा कोर्स मिल जाए जहाँ अनलिमिटेड जॉब ऑप्शन हो, क्योंकि मैं भी यही सोचती थी, जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट, न्यूज एंकर, रेडियो जॉकी, स्क्रीन राइटर, वीडियो एडिटर, इवेंट मैनेजर, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, सिनेमैट, फोटोग्राफर, डायरेक्टर, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर, एंटरप्रेन्योर। इनफैक्ट इन सबसे भी ज्यादा जॉब ऑप्शंस चाहिए। तो जस्ट चूज BAJMC एज योर करियर। BAJMC is not just about theory but plenty of practical knowledge too. BAJMC as a course आपको provide करता है वर्ल्ड की better understanding, meeting और working with people of top notch industry। और सिर्फ यही नहीं, BAJMC as a course आपको help करता है to grow personally and professionally too. So what are you waiting for? Choose BAJMC क्योंकि इधर आपको मिलेंगी endless possibilities.
This is your divide and rule. Nationalism is for us and being united. Samajwadi Party MP Akhilesh Yadav targeting BJP, a party that claims to be the biggest political party in the world, had still not given its elect in its own national president. Amit Shah's response to this jib was pointed at the Congress. Without naming the Congress, he said that their presidents were chosen among from the 5 family members. Dravida Munethra, Kazgan MP, Raja. The irony is that the rights of the minorities are going to be protected by a party which has no member of Muslim community. Today, it's a remarkable day for the Indian Parliament to decide our destiny, whether the secular country is going to travel in the path which was well written by the forefathers of the Constitution, or a negative path decided by the communal forces in the country. Now, the legal challenge is anticipated. Legal experts suggest that the bill may face judicial scrutiny, with the possibilities of being challenged in the courts on the grounds of Constitution and try potential violence of minority rights. The passage of Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 carries a significant implications. Now talking about the impact of Waqf property management. This inclusion of non-Muslim members in the Waqf bill increased government's oversight could lead into changes in how Waqf property are administrated, politically affecting their traditional autonomy, concerns over property rights. The new ownership verification requirements may pose challenge for Waqf properties with centuries-old histories but lacking formal documentation, rising fears about potential disputes and property loss, border and societal impact, given the sensitive nature of religious endowments. The bill's provisions may influence communal relations and perceptions of minority rights in the country. So to conclude, the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 represents a pivotal moment in the legal landscape governing religious endowments in India. While it aims to introduce reforms for better management and transparency, it also raises critical questions about constitutional rights, minorities protection, and the balance between government oversight and religious autonomies. What are your thoughts on this legislation? Do you believe it will lead improved governance of Waqf properties, or do you share the concern raised by its critics? Engage with us in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of Logical Guru. Stay tuned with me. I, Harshita, is there to present analyzing sides. And remember, understanding the law empowers you to be an informed citizen. Until the next time, stay informed, stay vigilant.